When you sneeze, your body is working to get rid of dust or pollen in your nose. First, tiny hairs inside your nose detect the irritant and send a signal to your brain. Your brain then triggers a deep breath, filling your lungs with air. Next, your vocal cords snap shut, trapping the air in your chest. As pressure builds up, your diaphragm pushes against your lungs, forcing them to contract. Suddenly, your vocal cords open, releasing a powerful burst of air that can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. This explosive release clears your nose of irritants and can expel tiny droplets into the air.